Today's lesson is going to be all about water activities, lake, ocean, whatever. Okay, let's don't waste time. Let's go. All right, waterfall. Nam tok. Nam tok means waterfall. Okay, if you go out in a country, you probably want to visit a waterfall. So that's what you say. Nam tok. Reverse that word. Now it means fall in the water. Tok. Nam tok. Nam. That's a reverse of nam tok. All right. Nam tok means waterfall. Tok nam means you just fall in the water. And after you fall in the water, you swim. Swim is wai nam. Wai nam. Now, play in the water. Len nam. Len nam means play in the water. Play is len. It can be anything. Playing guitar, whatever. Len. Okay? Now, len nam means playing in the water. Next one is not so good. It's drowning. Drowning in the water. Jom nam. Jom nam. This can be used in an emergency situation. Okay? So if you see someone drowning, or yourself or your family member, you can ask for help. Okay? Say jom nam. Jom nam means drowning in the water. Gin nam. That means drinking the water. You can reverse that too. Is nam gin means drinking water. Okay? It's not for washing your butt, or it's not washing your feet. It's for drinking. Nam gin. Okay? Now, reverse that is gin nam. That's drinking the water. Okay? If you're thirsty, you drink the water. Gin nam. Orดื่ม nam. That's more polite. Okay? But most people just say gin nam. But, since you want to learn, it's ดื่ม nam. ดื่ม means drinking. If you're afraid of the water, or your kid's afraid of the water, it's กลัวน้ำ กลัวน้ำ Okay? They say, oh yeah, what one of your kids going for a swim? And you say, yeah, no, she's or he afraid of the water. กลัวน้ำ Okay? กลัว means afraid. It can be anything. กลัว, like, if you're afraid of dogs, or you're afraid of squirrel, you're afraid of whatever, a bird, I don't know. Okay? So กลัว กลัวน้ำ diving. ดำน้ำ ดำน้ำ That's diving. It can be snorkeling. It can be with a oxygen tank or whatever. Okay? ดำน้ำ cold water. Well, in Thailand it's pretty hot, so sometimes you just want, most of the time you want cold water. Okay? You don't want to drink no hot water. I mean, that's crazy, right? So cold water. น้ำเย็น น้ำเย็น To get that water to be cold, you need ice. Ice is น้ำแข็ง น้ำแข็ง mean ice. You ask for น้ำแข็ง, they'll bring you a tub. แข็ง means hardened water. Ice. น้ำแข็ง hot water, because you're crazy. You want hot water in a hot country. น้ำร้อน น้ำร้อน If you make an instant noodle, or you ask for hot water for your tea, or for your coffee, to put on yourself, I don't know. น้ำร้อน If you don't know how to say it, น้ำร้อน with the R, you just drop the R and just say น้ำร้อน It's the same thing. Most people just say น้ำร้อน. Not many people in Thailand use the R, or rolling of a tongue. น้ำร้อน No, nobody say that. You might be the only one in the country to say that. But anyway, but you're here to learn, so I'm going to here to teach you. น้ำร้อน Okay? Sea water, ocean. Okay? น้ำทะเล น้ำทะเล ทะเล means ocean. Okay? Ocean water. Sea water. น้ำทะเล Don't drink that. Okay? น้ำทะเล Low tide is น้ำลง น้ำลง ลง means down. น้ำลง Okay? High tide น้ำขึ้น น้ ขึ้นน้ำขึ้นขึ้น mean up going up น้ำขึ้น means high tide. Next one is flooding. Monsoon season come. I remember back in Thailand, it was a big flood in Thailand. It was horrible. Yeah. Anyway, น้ำท่วม ท่วม mean flooded everywhere. น้ำท่วม Okay. น้ำท่วม means flooding. Now, another one is sometimes it happens. It's quite dangerous. Called น้ำป่า ป่า means jungle, rainforest, flash flood. It's just like coming from in the middle of the night while you sleep. So flash flood is น้ำป่า. Okay, that's a lot of activities including water. Go play, have fun, get drunk, or whatever. Well, I'm keeping this one short. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I'll see you next time. Peace.